Mr. Douglas sure was mad.
He sure was. I'm really afraid it's going to be hard on Billy.
Well, I'll tell you something. Judging from the way Billy stood up for himself, I think he's going to be all right. Yeah. I understand what it's like to feel 200% different from your parents. I mean, if your parents can't understand you, maybe no one will, you know. But I really think that Billy reached that point where even though his parents disapprove, he isn't doubting himself. And when you reach that point, there's a lot less in the world to be scared of. Well, you're a little late. Party's over. Guess you decided to run on a different track.
Andrew, would you come with me to the rectory?
Listen, we're gonna get out of here, all right?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah. Good day. Rectory, huh? Sounds kind of serious.
I'm sorry. I can go if you want me to. Matthew said I could wait in here.
No, it's all right, Billy. So how did things go with your dad?
They kind of didn't.
I'll wait outside.
No, Cassie, look, I'm sorry. I can come back later. It's no big...
It's fine, Billy. I'll be in the garden now. Don't rush.
So how'd you leave things with your father?
In the parking lot. At the country club. I just left him there. I've never done anything like that in my life.
Sit down, Billy.
I had a swimming lesson I was supposed to take today, but I sort of ditched it and went to the rally. My dad found out about it. Flew over to the rally, dragged me out like you saw, and flew back here like the car was on fire. I don't know. He said that I had to take the lesson. That my athletic career, the scholarship opportunities I get from it were much more important than standing up for the rights of a bunch of queers. I don't know, Andrew. I just get so sick of lying all the time. About everything. I feel like I'm in this little box, and with each lie, the box gets smaller and smaller. I can't move, I can't breathe, I can't even think.
Billy, what do you want to do about this?
I don't know, Andrew. You know what I want? I want to feel like I did today at the rally. I wasn't scared. I didn't feel like I was crammed into some box. Then my dad showed up and everything closed in on me again.
Pretty tight quarters, isn't it?
Yeah, well, you get used to it.
But, thing is, once you get that taste of freedom, a lot tougher to go back into the box, isn't it? I mean, sometimes a piece of truth can get you into a tighter spot than a lie.
Yeah, but at least it's the truth, Andrew.
Exactly.
Well, are you saying that I ought to tell my parents the truth?
I can't make that decision.
But I need your help.
Billy, all I know is that you are not happy like this.
You're right. You're right. I've got to tell my parents the truth.
All right, you want another one?
Joe, you're not human. That's your third.
Hey, well, I'm just getting warmed up.
I hardly finished this one.
Well, we did a lot of walking today, and these are they're really good Sundays.
Yeah, they are. I bet you can make one better.
Joey's special Sunday. Yep. No chocolate syrup, though. It's Italian dressing.
Oh, and just a pinch of oregano.
Oh, yeah.
It's a secret.
Do you think Billy's okay?
Yeah. Yeah. He's tough. Well, I'm not saying he's had the best day of his life, but I mean, he's gonna be okay, don't worry.
I have told you again and again not to spend time with Carpenter. Now, I don't understand why you won't listen to me and why you won't stay away from him.
Because I needed his help.
But that's what your family is.
No, not this family, Dad. Not for what I had to talk about.
What could you possibly have to say that would be so terrible you can't tell us?
Look, it had to do with something I've known for a long time, all right? My only problem is not being able to talk to your mom about it.
Why not? You're not telling me anything here, Bill.
I was too scared, Dad. I was too terrified.